I want to say that Mevlana Celaleddin Rumi and aḍrat Sultan Bahoo, they are the signs of our brotherhood. Some people are asking that why Turkiye-Pakistan brotherhood is so strong. This is coming from 100 years ago, from their time. They laid down the foundations of this brotherhood, and their message is just to love each other. Nowadays, we need very much. Unfortunately, as Mevlana Celaleddin Rumi says, come, whoever you are, come. The door is open. And as you know, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu also says the door of repentance is open until the last breath. But sometimes we human beings, we are trying to close these doors. So we must read them, we must remember them, and we must remind them to our young generation. Thank you very much. Another time, inshallah, we have more time. My dear brothers and sisters, Türkiye, Pakistan, Dosti, Zindabad. Selam.